Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clearing immediate bottlenecks, close background apps, and force-stop heavy processes to free RAM. Once done, reboot the device to flush temporary files and release locked input/output resources, because a fresh kernel state reduces stutter. Next, check available storage and free space. Aim for at least 10% or 1 to 2 GB, since low storage forces slow garbage collection. Make sure to disable battery saver modes that throttle CPU. This starts the optimization thread you'll continue in the next step. You now tackle deeper causes. Update both the app and the operating system to eliminate known performance bugs. Patches often fix regressions. Once updated, clear the app cache, and if lag persists, reinstall the app to remove corrupted state. Then profile resource use. Monitor CPU and GPU peaks, thread contention, and network latency with a profiler or built-in diagnostics, because unexpected spikes reveal root causes. Make sure to throttle background sync and defer non-critical jobs. This reduces contention and steadies frame times. You finish by tuning app and system settings. Lower graphics quality, disable animations, and reduce refresh where available to cut workload. Once done, monitor device temperature and battery health. Thermal throttling or failing cells can cause sudden lag, so cool the device and try again. Finally, reproduce the issue while recording logs and timestamps, because clear reproduction steps plus log speed fixes. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: roll back to the previous app version or safe mode to isolate whether updates introduce the regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.